We are at 2991 West 14th Street. Beautiful part of West 14th, tree-lined part of the street. Nice big porch, freshly painted. Porch swing. Lots of fall activities going on here. We got a very nice ornate staircase. This home has 3 to 4 bedrooms, depending on what you want to do with the 3rd floor, which we'll go see. But very nice floors, gleaming hardwood floors with beautiful inlay. Large bay window in the living room. Fireplace, it's a gas fireplace. Dining room, a nice box bay window. Got some really nice detail in the flooring here. Very spacious. Got the white kitchen. Includes all appliances, including dishwasher. And we've got this butcher block cart that is coming with the unit also. The house, I should say. Lots of cabinet space, lots of counter space. Let's head upstairs. Vinyl windows throughout, new carpet, all freshly painted. So this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. Great thing about this house is that it's got great closet space. This is a big closet here. I'd call this the primary bedroom. Huge, big bay window, just like the living room. And it also has a great walk-in closet. The 2nd biggest bedroom. It's a nice bay window. And again, the closet theme. This is the smallest closet, which is still pretty big. And the bathroom has a tub and a standalone shower. And it also is a bedroom level laundry room. Ceramic tile floor. And so this could be the 4th bedroom here on the 3rd floor. It's a great space, so you could do a lot up here. Could be office, could be gym. Like I said, another bedroom or a media room. I think there's a lot of potential. Now we're going to head down to the finished basement. Large basement, finished with a bar set up already, and then you got a pool table, dartboard, and you got another full bath. Another finished area here. Again, this could be a great place for a treadmill. And you've got your mechanicals and a little workshop area. That's all we got.